So these are the different types of BNC. We have this one. You use this if you are making use of a Cat6 cable. You can't use this one with coaxial cable. It will make your job very untidy. If you are using coaxial cable, you use this. Can you see it? The stranded or sheeted cable will be connected to this point, while the rigid part will be connected to this point. Can you see it? We have another type. We have this type. You slot in the solid parts here, then the strand on this, and screw it. This is an extension. So if I want to join two different BNC, I use this extension T, right? This is another type. This is another type of BNC in case you are using AV cable. Then this is a video balloon or transmitter, right? You can see how this one looks like. You can see this. So that's it for BNC.